na bagay. Sana hindi ako malate, guys. God, I didn't expect. Ganito pala. Limutan ko mag-plancha kahapon. Oh my gosh. So, hi guys. An update is that I am now revising our questionnaire. Nakapagpa-consult na kami sa advisor namin, and the problem that we encounter is that kailangan namin ayusin yung mismong questionnaire namin para ma-measure ng maayos yung pinaka-main goal ng study namin. So, yeah, tinatapos-tapos na lang din namin, and wish na sana maging okay na siya for us to find validator na din, kasi our thesis duration ay napaka-ikli, so we need to move faster as much as possible. And as you notice, I have my new eyeglasses. This is given by my brother as his present. Look at this. It is a two-way. You can use this as an eyeglasses and then a sunglass. Ayan, transparent siya, but then yung mismong lens niya is in a shade of blue. Diba? Let's it. I actually took both na kahapon, and I uploaded it on my Instagram. So it's so cute. I've been craving for this ever since na nakita ko siya. Naman. Today is Sunday, by the way. Happy Sunday, guys. Hope you're doing well today. Hi guys! So today's agenda ay magpapa-adjust kami ng aming braces. And guess who's lucky today? Makakalibre ako ng pumasahe kasi yung friend ko, sasamahan siya ng boyfriend niya, and isasabay nila ako. What a lucky day, right? And as you guys notice, may eyeshadow ako. I've been trying a much darker eyeshadow now kasi I just feel like it. I wanted to explore more. And I feel like nabagay naman siya sa akin. And I love this palette. It's so all arounder. May kasama siyang blush and highlighter. By the way, it's not sponsored. And guys, look at my hair. Kulay black na ulit siya. Pinatungan ko na siya ng color black kasi ang pangit ng tingnan ng buhok ko, honestly. Mukha na siyang tanso sa malayo. Kaya ayan, balik na ulit siya sa color black. And honestly, I feel like nabagay siya. Especially doon sa March darker shade ng eyeshadow ko. By the way, guys, the color of my braces is rubber niya. Purple. Thank you, Lord. Alam niyo 2 araw lang ang pasok ko sa loob ng 1 linggo. But then, parang halos araw-araw kaming nasa school kasi kailangan naming magpa-consult ng thesis. Sobrang demanding ng thesis. But anyway, see you on my next vlog, guys! Bye!